This is Adrian, and I'm doing this presentation on behalf of my team, who are Guangyang, Oscar, and Carol. So we did our project on how different policies have affected the ecosystem and the residents in Yangtze River. So we did this by doing a hiking trip around the Yangtze River, and we also camped there. And in the daytime, we just do the hiking, and we also take the pictures along the way. And our first stop is at the dam. It was built for preventing the flood, as you can see in this picture. So according to the regulation for preventing flood project management in Yangtze River, Suzhou City, this dam was implemented in 1999, and its objective is to strengthen the management of Yangtze River flood control, and to ensure the integrity and safety of the project, and also to safeguard the safety of people's lives and properties. And and also the worker there is responsible for the daily management of this operation, maintenance of the flood control projects. It also stopped the people's action of occupying, destroying, and damaging flood control projects or other illegal acts. So besides the dam, we can see that there is a canal. So we can see that there's a lot of freighters on the canal. All the freighters, they are loaded with piles and piles of building materials. So we can see that they are passing through the canal in a good manner. There are even traffic police on the river, whom ensures that all the freighters are passing one at a time. And one interesting observation is that we see there are some big wheels attached to the side of the freighters, which prevented the collision between the freighters. So then we took our trip to the local fish market. It is not the exact fish market that we would have expected. As you can see in this picture, there are only altogether 4 shops that are still opening, and we began to ask one of the owners of the shop, and she said that it is because of the protective law to ban the fishing, which is implemented 10 years ago. So according to the central government's plan, a complete 10-year fishing ban now applies in pivotal waters of the Yangtze, China's longest river, starting on January the 1st, 2021. In recent years, the provisional level region along the river has stepped up the effort to protect the mother river of the China nation. A third-party assessment agency came to conduct the on-site assessment of fishermen's boats and nets. Our Unified Compensation Fund will ensure their interests. Along with the fishing ban is the prohibition of selling certain fishing gears, such as gill nets, throwing nets, and ground cages. And here is also a poster of this regulation. So as a result, none of the shops have fish tanks to keep the fish alive, because there are only such amount of quantity. They are only selling 2 kinds of fish, the frozen ones or the salted ones, and it is really stinks smelly in a hot summer day. As the sun went down, we decided to call it a day, so we set up our camp around the lake. What's beside our camp is a power industry. There are big chimneys and smoke coming out, which looks absolutely fascinating and dreamy with the sunset. But from a certain point of view, it was destroying the local ecosystem. Most large power plants require land clearing to build the power plant, and there was a beach over there, but now it's filled with trash dumped by the factory. I'll be smoking the air from the large pipe. It did not cause health issues, but we are not most comfortable. So next day we just find another campsite. So that is all for the briefing. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.